It's actually happening, guys. This isn't a drill. I've been subscribed to many press companies since my days of working for magazines. I'm now completely independent, but I stayed subscribed to these places, and I never really knew why, but today I can answer that question. You see, normally when all of these press releases come in, they just go straight in my trash because it's not really what this channel is about. I don't announce news on here, I don't really talk about the news, I talk about things that I find interesting. But today, Mascot emailed me to let me know that Michael Romeo of Symphony X is releasing a solo album, War of the Worlds Part 1, on July the 27th. So there's the official news thing out of the way. I had to share that with you, and hopefully you will share in that excitement with me, because as many of you, if not all of you know, Michael Romeo is probably my favourite metal guitar player. I think he's an absolutely fabulous and unique player with such I want to say unique again, such a unique voice on the instrument, a kind of neo-romantic approach, if you like. His work with Symphony X is absolutely wonderful, and it's been, what, 94 since he released a solo album, and even then I think The Dark Chapter, his first album, is so old that it's hard to even consider it a solo album because it's so different from where Michael Romeo is as a player now. The Dark Chapter just sounds like something by someone completely different. So yeah, War of the Worlds, very cool. Now I have emailed back to Mascot to see if they would be able to line up some sort of interview with Michael. I think it would be great to get to talk to him and get the ins and outs of what's happening with the album and why he decided to do this and all of that good stuff. So if that's something that you guys would be interested in, please do drop a comment below just so I can let the guys over at Mascot know that it's something that people do want to see. And do let me know any questions that you would like me to share with Michael. So just having a listen to the one song, they've released one song, Black. Now I was going to post a little clip of the guitar solo, but I don't want to risk this video getting a copyright strike, so I will link to it at the end. Please do go and check out Black. It's actually not what I expected. When I heard that Michael Romeo was releasing a solo album, I expected it to be a solo guitar instrumental album. In all honesty, it kind of sounds a lot like a Symphony X record, but it doesn't have Russell Allen singing. Now, of course, there could be a lot more instrumental stuff on the album than on the average Symphony X album, but with this one song, what we're getting is very much a song-driven or a lyric and vocal-driven track. So the Black video is a lyric video. There is a blistering guitar solo, of course. So yeah, I'm extremely excited about this, and I hope you guys are very excited about this. Please do go and share this information with all of your friends, because Michael Romeo is a top-tier badass, and I cannot wait to see what he does with this album, and I hope it goes as well for him as I know it's going to go for me, just as a listener. So yeah, any questions, anything like that, please do drop them in the comments box below. Check this video out up here to listen to Michael's new song, Black. Here's another one of my videos. You can check out my Patreon up here, and you can subscribe to my channel by clicking this button down here. Now, the 27th of July cannot roll around fast enough. Please, please, Father Time, hurry up.